In this video, we're going to look at triangles and the geometry of triangles. There are four main triangles that you need to know. First, we have an equilateral triangle. What that means is all three sides are the same and all angles are the same. Now, that means A plus A plus A equals 180. Plus, remember, 180 degrees in a triangle, and that's constant. And that means they have to be 60 degrees. Because 3 lots of 60, 180. Next is an isosceles triangle. Now, an isosceles triangle has two sides the same. Okay, now that means they also have two angles the same. Okay, so we have an equilateral triangle, like equilateral means all three sides are the same, which means three angles are the same. Then we have an isosceles triangle, which means we have two sides the same and two angles the same. All right, next we have what's called a scalene triangle. What that means is all three sides are the same and we have three different angles. So as you can see, if we've got three sides the same, three angles the same. Two sides the same, two angles the same. Three different sides, three different angles. We also have another triangle, which is a right angle triangle. Now, a right angle triangle has a right angle, which obviously means one angle is 90 degrees. Now, we can have a right angle triangle that also fits in the category of a scalene. Three sides all different, which means we've got three angles different. Or we can have a right angle triangle, which is an isosceles triangle, which means we have two sides the same. That's 90 degrees. One thing to know, it's very handy because that's 90 degrees. And we know there's 180 degrees in a triangle. And we know because this is isosceles that these angles have to be the same. So that means A plus A has to add up to 90 because it's 90 degrees in a triangle. 90 degrees plus 90 is 180. So that means A has to equal 45 degrees in this case. But that only works for right angle triangles.